Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make simple recipe of potato green curry using freshly ground chili paste and raw peanut powder. This simple potato green curry is packed with flavors and very easy to make. Instead of using coconut milk, we grind raw peanuts and fresh green chilies together in a blender jar to make a thick creamy sauce. This gives a curry wonderful spicy nutty taste that pairs perfectly with soft potatoes. It is a quick comforting meal that anyone can make at home. This potato curry recipe is very delicious and wonderful recipe. The combination of fresh green chilies, yellow turmeric and that creamy freshly ground raw peanut paste give it such an authentic comforting village flavor without needing any heavy packed spices. This delicious potato curry match with flatbread of jawar or pearl millet bajra roti, also with wheat chapati and steamed rice. Ingredient needed for this delicious potato curry: we need 3 to 4 medium sized potatoes cut into cubes. Next we need a raw peanut powder 3 tablespoons. Chopped green coriander leaves. Next we need 8 to 10 curry leaves. Next 4 to 5 green chilies paste. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. In spices we need cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Mustard seeds half tablespoon. Salt for taste. And oil 3 tablespoons. First step is to cut the potatoes into bite-sized even cubes. Keep the potato cubes soaked in a bowl of tap water until we are ready to use it. Put the raw peanut and green chilies in a small grinder jar. Add little water and blend it. Stop when it forms thick, smooth and creamy green paste. Next step is to cook the curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan or kadhi on low-medium heat. Add cumin seeds and mustard seeds to the hot oil. Let them crackle and pop up for about 10 to 15 seconds. After this, fry the aromatics. Add ginger garlic paste to the pan. Saute it for 1 minute until it turns slightly golden and the raw smell goes away. Next we have to fry the chili paste. Immediately after the raw smell goes away, add your freshly ground chili paste to the pan. Stir and cook it for about 1 or 2 minutes. Mix with ginger garlic paste and stir it well. After adding the green chilies paste, add 8 to 10 curry leaves to the hot oil. Let them crisp up for about 5 to 10 seconds. Now it's time to add fresh chopped coriander leaves to release their flavor into the oil. Mix with green chilies paste. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to the oil and paste. Stir quickly for 5 seconds so it cooks without burning. Now it's time to add the potato cubes. Toss in potato cubes next after this. Mix well so the yellow spice and green paste coat the potatoes evenly. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Toss and stir fry the potato cubes. Stir fry the potato cubes in a chili turmeric oil for 2 minutes until the yellow and green spice oil completely coats the potato cubes. Now it's time to add the peanut paste made in the grinder jar. Pour your ground peanut paste and chili paste made in the grinder jar directly to the pan. Stir gently, add little more water if the curry looks too thick. Cook the potato curry uncovered for about 2 to 3 minutes until the curry gets thick and creamy. Keep stirring the curry gently from the bottom of pan because the peanut paste is thick and heavy. It can quickly settle at the bottom and burn it left alone. Wait until you see the big active bubbles breaking across the entire surface of the liquid. This means your curry has officially reached the rolling boil. Once it is boiling completely, set a time for 2 minutes. Keep the heat high enough to maintain those bubbles. Stir occasionally to keep the texture smooth. Boiling for these 2 minutes is crucial because it cooks out the raw taste of peanut paste, thickens the gravy, and forces the potato cubes to absorb the rich flavor of green chilies, turmeric, and aromatics. Garnish with the fresh chopped coriander leaves. Serve hot with traditional flatbread of jawar or bajra roti or chapati. Also, you can serve with steamed jeera rice. This potato curry is healthy and nutritious. Potatoes are loaded with healthy complex carbohydrates. These provide your body with a steady release of energy throughout the day. Raw peanuts are packed with plant-based proteins. Fresh green chilies, ginger and garlic are rich in antioxidant and vitamin C. They help your body to fight against infection and improve the digestion. If you like this Indian traditional potato curry recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.